Hey folks, Aaron with Fleetistics, and today we're introducing a new battery-powered asset tracker which cannot be recharged and the batteries are not replaceable. So how does this work? Well, this unit will report 5,000 messages, and at the end of that 5,000 messages, what you do is you actually take it and you throw it away. So if you have an application where you may have a frac tank, a fuel tank, an asset that's not being moved a lot, and you want like an update once a day, or even if it's moving occasionally and you want it to report every 15 minutes when it's in motion, this is a good no hassle option. Not that expensive, the service is inexpensive, and it's, you're not chasing batteries, you're not worrying about sunshine on solar devices and things like that. You can see the form factor compared to my hand, right? Slim, about a finger width. So this can go almost anywhere. And in the package, you also get a series of these very large zip ties. So if you're going to zip tie it to the frame of a trailer, then that would work well. And you also get these unique zip ties, which actually, this goes into the hole, maybe in a vehicle or a trailer, and then you zip tie through the tabs on the unit itself and secure it that way. So very interesting device, not applicable for everybody, but if this applies to you, you probably know it. And give us a call. We'll be more than happy to talk about this as well as other asset trackers that we have that might be a good fit. Thank you.